The basics of using a reciprocating saw. Parts. Power supply. Blade. Blade release. Trigger. Trigger lock. Shoe. Safety. Wear safety glasses. Use hearing protection. Tight-fitting gloves are recommended. An N95 face mask is also recommended. Operation. Unlock the trigger using the trigger lock. Start the tool before the blade makes contact with the material. Keep the shoe tight to the material. Do not lift it off of the material. Cut slow and smooth through your material. How to change a blade. Choose the proper blade type and length for the material and the material's location. Disconnect the power before making adjustments. Remove the blade using the blade release. Pull the blade out. Insert the blade while holding the blade release. Make sure the blade is locked in place.